You are probably wondering, what is feng shui? Well, to start, feng means wind, shui means water, and together they represent the movement of qi and its influence on us humans over time. In feng shui, qi is uniquely determined by the location and orientation of our space. There is auspicious or positive qi that can help us grow, develop, and succeed. And there's inauspicious or negative qi that can throw obstacles in our way. Together, they form the patterns that circulate around us. The goal in feng shui is to strike a delicate balance between these qi forces so that we can enjoy life to its fullest. You might be wondering, who came up with this? To get into that, we have to go back about 6,000 years. When the Chinese scholars began to study the movements of the sun, moon, and stars, they then correlated the position of the heavenly forces with human behaviors and occurrences on Earth. Over the centuries, scholars continued to observe and document the different landforms and its impact on the people living nearby. Feng shui was born through the combined knowledge of astronomy, astrology, geology, mathematics, physics, and philosophy. As a fun fact, back in the day, feng shui masters used to live with the families, so they get the front row seat to observe and learn the happenings of each person's life and document it based on the space they occupied. Fast forward to today, feng shui is practiced in homes, businesses, skyscrapers, and even theme parks, with the intention of using nature's force to influence its positive manifestations in you.